So in this video we are gonna look up on how to buy glasses on the Cheelee app in whatever payment, in whatever country you are from, whatever payment method that you are using. Now in my last video I made a review on the Cheelee app, if it is scam or not, so you can go and check out that video if you haven't. And here you can see this is a new account I created for the purpose of this video. Now you want to head over to your market. Okay, once you open your Cheelee app, you want to go over to your market right here. As you can see on the market section, you can see all the glasses. Okay, these are the glasses that are available, but to filter it out, to make sure that you are not making any mistake, okay, you can click on N, and then all what you are going to be seeing are glasses. Okay, all what you are going to be seeing are glasses. I would advise you not to go for this $3 glass. Okay, you want to buy it, you click on buy, but I advise you not to go for it. Why? Because here it says that, here on the withdrawal aspect, it says after purchasing these glasses you can withdraw your income to your card or external wallet with a 65% fee. Now that is very high, but this fee is only for this common glass, this one that is about $3. Okay, it might be cheap but it's not worth it. I advise you to go for this $6 glass. Okay, this $6 glass, I advise you to go for it. Okay, once you want to buy, you click right here on buy. Alright, click on buy. Once again you have to click on buy. Now you can see the payment is already set in NGN, which is the Nigerian Naira, which is the country that I am from. Alright, you can change the payment method by clicking on the currency. Alright, let's say you are outside Nigeria, or you are somewhere about, let's say you are in the US. They don't have US dollars here, so you have to use euro, which is general. Okay, use euro. And then if you're outside the country, whatever country you are from, you can find it here. You can see for Brazil, Egypt, Ghana, India, Kenya, Mexico, Pakistan, Turkey, and the rest of the African countries here. Okay, regardless of where you're from, you can buy a glass with any method at all. Okay, you can choose to go with Bybit Pay. Now I'm going to be reviewing every method step by step. Let's start with Bybit Pay. You click on it and you click on buy. Okay, once you click on Bybit Pay, as you can see Bybit Pay, then you click on buy. Alright, as you can see the message there that said my account has been suspended for 60 days for breaking rule. This is actually because I have multiple accounts on this device. Okay, I have multiple accounts on the device. But if you want to buy glass in the country that you're from, that is basically how you can go about that. You can use Binance. You can just choose to use USDT and transfer USDT to your wallet. Okay, you can use Google Pay. Once you click on the Google Pay, to bring up a pop-up for you to buy using your Google Play. Alright, Google Play. If you are choosing to buy with crypto, which is USDT, you want to head over to your wallet. Buy with crypto, head over to your wallet, and you go onto the external. Now as you can see, the external wallet has been created. Please save your seed phrase. Now if you are buying with crypto, you make sure that the external wallet, you have some USDT here. Okay, you can buy USDT by clicking on receive. You can send USDT rather by clicking on receive. Okay, once you click on the receive, you can copy this address, and you have to pay attention to what is here. You have to pay attention to this. You can see, okay, It says caution, use this address for transaction within the Binance Smart Chain network. So make sure you take note of the network, and then once you fund it with USDT, whenever you want to buy your glass, once you click on buy, you have to change the payment method to USDT, and then it will use the USDT that is in your account to buy. Now I would advise you going for this glass. Why? Because as you can see right here, the withdrawal aspect, as you can see, it says that after the purchase you can withdraw income to your card with a 30% fee. Okay, so this is much fair. I think all the glasses have the same fee, so let's check on the highest glass to see if it's actually the same price. Let's see if it's the same price for withdrawal. As you can see, it's also the same fee, 30% fee or 25% fee. Okay, so that'll be all for the video.
Shutterstock Music.